Meet Jack, a modern-day IT operations manager. Networks, applications, virtual environments, and cloud. He's responsible for ensuring it all runs smoothly. Users from around the world are calling Jack to report application performance problems, serious issues that are putting the company's reputation at risk and affecting its day-to-day operations.
Jack, I'm calling from the London office. Not sure if you noticed, but SharePoint has been slow every afternoon this week. My team hasn't been able to effectively service our customers and prospects, and if you don't do something fast, this will impact customer satisfaction and quarterly revenues.
Back at headquarters, the finance group has been experiencing intermittent problems with their Oracle order processing application. Nearly every customer order in the company is affected. Although a Tiger team has been on it for a few days, they are no closer to figuring out what's wrong yet. The SQL Administrator's tools show no issues with the application or database, and the Network Admin's tools indicate the network infrastructure is fine and congestion isn't an issue.
I can try to do a packet capture and analyze the traffic, but it'll take a little while to set up. Where's the best place to capture the traffic?
I guess you could capture packets in front of the database server, but everything looks fine with it. I really don't know what other components are involved in the application or where else we should look.
Jack is also on the team assigned to a private cloud project. The CIO wants the project finished in order to report cost savings to the board. Jack just wants to be able to move on to other projects that keep piling up. The private cloud project, however, continues to stall. All these application problems are just symptoms. The real problem is that Jack and the IT operations team can't monitor or troubleshoot the performance of today's complex applications and the networks they rely on. In fact, they don't even have a clear understanding of all the components involved in delivering their applications. Jack turns to Riverbed Cascade, application-aware network performance management that enables Jack and his team to actively manage the performance of the company's business-critical applications and the networks they run on. Cascade's application dashboards provide at-a-glance views into how critical business applications are performing. Unlike other solutions that require the deployment of probes all over the network, only to produce more data than IT can filter through, Cascade is easy to deploy and non-intrusive, so you don't need to modify your applications or your network. Cascade collects flow data from network devices and integrates it with application data from packets for a complete view into application and network performance. Rather than wait for static high-water thresholds to trigger or for users to call the help desk to complain, Cascade's analytics automatically baseline, monitor, and alert on changes in performance to provide early warning of problems. Additionally, Cascade's seamless drill down from dashboards to application transaction analysis focuses and streamlines the troubleshooting process, accelerating problem resolution by as much as 83%. You can even get to packet details with one click if needed. With Cascade analytics and application dashboards, Jack can more proactively monitor and troubleshoot application performance issues. What's more, Cascade is the only solution to automate dashboard creation, combining discovery with analytics to ensure that all components and services used to deliver the application are accounted for and monitored. Now that Jack has Cascade, he can tackle the critical problems that have the CIO up in arms. First, let's see what's happening with London's SharePoint issue.
Wow, all it took was 3 clicks. Someone accidentally misconfigured a backup process to kick off at noon instead of midnight. Well, that's an easy fix.
Next, Jack moves on to the Oracle issue. With Cascade, he has the info on hand to retroactively investigate any problem. Jack pulls up the recent alert and drills into the details. Within 30 minutes, he's able to determine that the problem is with a SQL transaction that only occurs when a certain manufacturing exception is required. 2 down and 1 to go. The private cloud project. Jack uses Cascade's Discovery Wizard to visualize the application topology of both the original application and the virtualized version. When he compares the 2 dependency maps, he realizes that the original application was actually using a development server that was inadvertently part of the production environment.
I love Cascade. It makes me so productive. In a single afternoon, I was able to diagnose 2 major application performance problems that were affecting our business results and figure out what was wrong with our private cloud project.
With Cascade, Jack is living the IT dream. Incidents now get resolved in record time. The IT operations team is more productive than ever, and Jack has reported impressive savings to the CIO.
Jack, you're the guy who knows everything about our IT environment, right? Well, we need your help with several strategic initiatives.
You bet. Cascade can help plan and ensure the success of new application deployments like VoIP and the SAP upgrade, as well as IT projects such as our consolidation project. Plus, if we go with Riverbed Steelhead appliances for WAN optimization, we can also use them with Cascade for remote site packet capture, QoS, and WAN optimization monitoring.
Isn't it time for you to get the same benefits for your business? Improve application performance and availability. Dramatically reduce downtime. Manage your network from an application perspective. Actually get to work on that list of cool projects on your whiteboard. Save time and money.